How to review prior on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review prior on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings, and go down again, click activity log, and now click groups, communities, events and reels, and then click this one prior, and here you can review it on Facebook Lite, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.